Welcome to one of America's most breathtaking natural wonders. Zion National Park, where ancient stone meets flowing water. Here, millions of years of geological history rise before us in magnificent stone cathedrals. These towering sentinels have stood guard for millennia. Each formation tells a story written in stone. As sunlight filters into these sacred spaces, we witness the artistry of geological time. The Virgin River, Zion's lifeline, has carved this masterpiece over millions of years. Its gentle currents continue the ancient work of sculpting stone. Following its winding path through this natural cathedral, creating oases of life in the desert landscape. Hidden within Zion's embrace are emerald jewels. Where water flows, life flourishes in abundance. Sunlight filters through nature's canopy. Revealing secret gardens carved in stone. As day surrenders to evening, Zion reveals its most magical hour. The ancient stones seem to glow with inner fire. In this timeless place, we find peace, wonder, and connection to something greater than ourselves. Thank you for joining us in this journey through Zion's timeless beauty.